Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again here with our review of the latest smartwatch smart band in the market. This time, we're going to show you on how to connect your smartwatch. We have here specifically the No.1 DT79. We're going to connect it to the support app, the Fundo Pro support app. Okay, so first, let's turn on the smartwatch here. Okay, and let's check for the QR code here. So use the scanner of your smartwatch, of your smartphone, to install the Fundo Pro. It will open you a website and will connect you to either Android. There's a link. It will show a link for the Google Play, and the other one is for the iOS support app. Okay, so we're going to download the Fundo Pro here again. So if you have any issues with the Fundo Pro, please check out our article on how to install or connect to your Fundo Pro app. This time we're going to show you a video if you are not a fan of reading articles. Okay, so here we have here the app. We have the version 1.7.3 updated July 1, 2020. That was just a week ago. And we have over a million downloads here. The size of the app is 67.11 megabytes. So it is just very uh, small. But of course, you still have to check your storage if it can accommodate a 67.11 MB of data or app. Okay, so we have here the permissions. Okay, so we have the calendar here for the camera. What else do we have here? We have the contacts. Okay, so we have the location here, colleagues phone, SMS storage, and other permissions. Again, permissions, they sometimes change after you install the app. In every update, it will ask for, okay, there are some changes on the support app, so try to check the latest permission on the support app. As you can see here, it notes you can disable access for these permissions in settings. Updates to Fundo Pro may automatically add additional capabilities within each group. Okay, so if you think the permissions is too much, it is threat to your security and personal information, so just disable it. Okay, so let's start and install the support app. So it is now installing. While we are installing the support app, let's check on the Bluetooth. Let's turn it on. Okay, if it's not turned on, the support app will ask you to turn it on so that you can connect your smartwatch to your smartphone. Okay, let's wait. So almost 95%. Okay, so it's installing now. Okay, we'll make it closer. Installing, and scanning. So we have installed a checking security or virus checking app here. So let's open the app. Okay, so it's asking for permissions. Allow Fundo to access your phone. Allow Fundo to make call and manage phone calls. Again, you can disable it later in your smartphone, the permissions. Allow Fundo to access photos, media, and files on your device. Allow Fundo to access your contacts. Right now, we're just going to allow the permissions to check whether we have conflict or not, issues with a support app. Okay, please open the permissions of the suspension frame. Okay, so display over apps will allow it. Fundo is required to send applications notifications to your remote device. Press OK to go to notification access. So we're going to allow it. Where's that? I have here the Fundo is disabled. Okay, so we're going to enable here. Okay, so it is here, notification access. You can also set it. And now we have the UI of the Smartwatch application, the Fundo Pro app. Okay, so we're going to check, install it first. So let's connect it to your device here. Let's turn on. Okay, so you have here disconnected here. So let's check. Okay, we have to add. So I guess the application automatically search for the device here. So you have to add it manually. So it's looking for your #1 DT79 smartwatch. So let's check if as you can see here, the Bluetooth connection here is disabled. So we have to turn it on. It is disabled by default. As you can see here, once we turn it on, the smartwatch appeared here. Okay, waiting to be connected to your Fundo app, to your smartphone. Okay, let's select it. Let's try. It's connecting. Let's wait. Okay, so we have successfully connected the smartwatch to your support app. Okay, again, don't forget to turn on the Bluetooth connection here. Let me check what will happen if we turn it off. So it is not connected, it's disconnected here. Okay, turning it on again. Let's check. Add a device, select the smartwatch. Okay, try to remember your smartwatch. It is connecting. So it may take some time depending on your smartphone and the smartwatch. Okay, again, it's not connected. Let's try it again. So we'll experience that sometimes, but based on our test, most of the time we connected our smartwatch to the smartphone with the latest application from the Fundo Pro. But if you're having issues with your smartphone and your smartwatch, okay, try to check and install the lower version of the Fundo Pro. Okay, You can check it on our website. We have there the versions, several versions of the Fundo Pro app. Okay, we have a list of lower versions, .apk version. Try to check on how to install that .apk smart application. Okay, so we also have the ECG detection here. Okay, we have this unit settings here. What else do we have here? Okay, the analysis for the sports statistics here. Okay, not set. We have the report activity, heart rate. Okay, all of the data here collected from your smartwatch will appear here. Okay, with graphs and the, of course, statistics here. You will see it on your support app. Also have here the report. What else? Let's connect app notification settings. So here, if you want to receive notifications, you can set it here. Let's wait. Here, notifications from different social websites or social apps. I mean, okay, let's check me for your profile. Let's check what else does it offer. We have here the Bluetooth call. Okay, so we have here the setups. Okay, it will teach you or it will walk you through the steps on how to uh, initiate to how to set up the Bluetooth call, okay, or initiate call right from your smart watch. Okay, so that's it. That's your Fundo Pro. That's it. That is how you connect to your Fundo Pro support app with your number 1 DT79. If you have other smartwatch and you want to connect to your Fundo Pro app, it almost has the same procedure, okay? The same steps, okay? So as you can see, it is very easy as long as you have the compatible smartwatch, compatible smartphone, and of course, compatible support app. So please try to check your user manual, okay, for any issues and compatibility with your smartwatch. Okay, so try to scan here if you have a QR code scanner for your smartwatch and connect it. Download the app. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding uh, on this tutorial on how to connect your Fundo Pro app to your smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries if we have time. Try to check the article on how to connect to your Fundo Pro app as well as the downloadable .apk files lower version for your Fundo Pro support app. Bye.